Hi everybody, it's Mrs. Bird, Reagan's mom. I hope you're enjoying learning about jobs. So I'm here to tell you what I do for a living. I'm actually a high school teacher, but I teach online. I never actually meet most of my students, and I never go to an actual school unless it's to see you guys. So everything I do is in an online classroom that looks a lot like your screen right now. You can see my name over on the right hand side. And if I had any students in here learning something right now, their name would also be on the list. And there's a chat box, and they have cameras and they have microphones, so we get to talk that way. And it's just a lot different than a regular school, but I really enjoy it. They also have another part of their classroom, which I can show you really quick, that looks like this. It's an online program. You guys have probably seen programs like ABC Mouse or Adventure Academy. It's a little bit like that, but it doesn't really look like a game. It just has assignments. It has reading, a lot of different interactive things that they can do, and it has their grades and their grade book. So this is kind of what my students' classroom looks like. It has all the stuff that they have to do for the entire school year listed with dates, and they have to go in and read, and they have to go in and submit assignments. It works really well for a lot of students, and my students are all over the state of Washington, and all the teachers for my school are all over the state of Washington, and I really enjoy it. And that's it in a nutshell. Hope you guys have a good rest of your day.